Welcome to Techverse, your go-to hub for the latest in smartphones, gadgets, and cutting-edge technology. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked-about flagship devices of the year, the Vivo X200 Ultra. The Vivo X200 Ultra is Vivo's latest attempt to shake up the premium smartphone market. And from what we've seen so far, it's not just a contender, it's a serious disruptor. Vivo has been steadily improving its smartphone lineup over the past few years, but with the X200 Ultra, the brand has taken a bold step into the ultra-premium category, challenging giants like Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi head-on. Let's start with the design. The Vivo X200 Ultra boasts a sleek, modern aesthetic that screams luxury. It features a curved-edge display with a near bezel-less design, giving it a futuristic look and feel. The phone is built with a polished aluminum frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 3 on both the front and back, ensuring durability without compromising on elegance. Available in stunning colors like midnight black, ocean blue, and pearl white, the X200 Ultra is a phone that turns heads. Moving on to the display, Vivo hasn't held back. The device sports a massive 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Colors pop vividly, blacks are deep, and the overall viewing experience is nothing short of cinematic. Whether you're gaming, binge-watching your favorite series, or simply browsing the web, the X200 Ultra's display delivers top-tier visuals with ultra-smooth performance. Under the hood, the Vivo X200 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. This combination ensures lightning-fast performance, capable of handling intense gaming sessions, multitasking, and demanding apps without breaking a sweat. Vivo's FunTouch OS 15, based on Android 15, runs smoothly, offering a clean, intuitive interface with plenty of customization options. But what really makes the X200 Ultra stand out is its camera system. Vivo has established itself as a leader in smartphone photography, and this device pushes the boundaries even further. The quad camera setup includes a 200 MP primary sensor with OIS, a 50 MP ultra-wide lens, a 50 MP periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom, and a 12 MP macro sensor. Selfie enthusiasts will love the 50 MP front camera that captures stunningly detailed shots, even in low light. The camera features advanced AI photography tools, including Super Night Mode, Astro Mode, and AI Portrait Enhancement, making it easy for both casual users and photography enthusiasts to capture professional-looking images. Video recording is equally impressive, with support for 8K resolution, cinematic stabilization, and HDR10+ recording. Battery life on the Vivo X200 Ultra is another strong point. It packs a 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day usage even for power users. Fast charging is impressive too, with support for 120W wired charging and 80W wireless charging. In just 15 minutes, you can top up to 70%, which is perfect for people constantly on the move. Other notable features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, IP68 water and dust resistance, and comprehensive 5G support. To wrap it up, the Vivo X200 Ultra is a flagship device that delivers in almost every department, from its stunning display and powerful performance to a world-class camera system and fast charging capabilities. If you're on the hunt for a premium Android smartphone in 2025, the Vivo X200 Ultra deserves to be at the top of your list. Thanks for joining us here at Techverse. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, unboxings, and tech comparisons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.